friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Arduino IDE app. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button below the video and also press the like button. Also click the bell button so that you can receive the notification from my channel when I update new videos. Let's get into the video. Open Google and type Arduino. Go to this link, Arduino Home. The link is in the description. Software, downloads. Go down. If you have Windows, click then Windows app. Click just download. And then get. Click install. It's installed. Then click launch. Click OK. That's it, friends. Go to new. As you can see, the Arduino IDE app is installed. There are some example codings. Go to File, Examples, Digital button. See, the codes are here. And then press back. Thank you, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video.